Have you ever considered having an affiliate income program for your small business? Not only would it be a great way to add passive income and supplement your own business's income, but it can also potentially be a great way to reward your loyal customers. I am taking part in a 30-day YouTube challenge where I will post a video every day for 30 days on YouTube. Today is day 6. Over the past 5 days, I have focused specifically on loyalty programs for small businesses, and somewhere around day 3, I made this promise that I would give you guys a bonus program because yesterday was basically the last day that I wanted to talk about loyalty program. But as soon as I promised that I would do this bonus material, I completely forgot what it was. But I knew I had made a promise. So I continued to think about it, and today I finally remembered what it was. Affiliate income. Why am I saying that affiliate income is a loyalty program? Well, it has to do with United, which I talked about on day 1. In today's video, I want to go ahead and talk to you a little bit more in depth about how affiliate income can be used for your small business to supplement your income, but how you can also use it to reward your most loyal customers. Let me get this started by saying my name is Erica T. Barton, and yes, I'm a market financial feasibility research expert, which I've explained in the last few days, and I'm also a flight attendant, which I also explained in the last 5 days. Today, what I'm going to talk to you about is affiliate income. And you may be wondering, where does my expertise about affiliate income come into play? Well, a little over a decade ago, I started blogging. I did a bookkeeping blog and it got pretty popular pretty fast, which was surprising to me because I think bookkeeping is incredibly boring, but I'm very good at it. It kind of runs in the family. And I did this blog mostly because I wanted to help small businesses. But then the blog got hacked and I was pretty much never able to get it back. So I pretty much gave up on the idea until I started this channel. On this channel, I want to give you all of the information that I know. Today, one of those things is affiliate income. How? Because of my blogging experience. Back when I started blogging, I looked up all of the different ways that you could make income. And affiliate income was one of the best ways to do that, whether you have a business with a physical location or whether you have an online business. Today, I want to talk to you about affiliate income for your physical business. Of course, it will work if you have a digital business as well, like if you have a blog or a vlog or a website, but there is a way to actually supplement this and kind of work it in to any type of business model. That's what I want to talk to you about today. So the first big business that I want to talk to you about today is Rakuten. Rakuten runs a whole bunch of different businesses, and they are a big business. They make an estimated $200 billion a year, although they have been losing money the last couple of years. But the money that they've been losing is likely due to them trying to figure out new ways for the other businesses that they have. It's not specifically detailed out for their affiliate income program. Now, the reason that I bring Rakuten up is because they basically have an affiliate income app that you can use on your phone. You can put it on your iPad, iPod, whatever. What they do with this affiliate income is they give a percentage back of the money that they make from purchases that are made through their website, which you can also do through their app. This right here is actually the app. It's not actually their website. If you look really closely, you can see Target's included on there, CVS, Walmart. And you can see the percentage back that you get in cash as a customer. That is one way that an affiliate program is being used to reward loyal customers. So people would come in here and they would basically just click on any of these links and they would be taken to that website for that company. Then anything they make, Rakuten gets a percentage of. Then what they do is they turn around and they split that money back with their customers. For example, Walmart, it says up to 4% cash back, but Target's 1% cash back. There's Lowe's on here, which is 4% cash back. Bed Bath & Beyond is 8% cash back. Skechers is 9% cash back. It's a very good program that really kind of teases the customer into coming and buying from them to get cash back. Now, another program that's very similar to this is uPromise. The uPromise app is not nearly as big as the Rakuten app. It's kind of the size of a phone still. And a lot of their stuff that you do, I've actually done mostly through their website. What uPromise is basically when you order through their affiliate program, they give you a percentage back of your purchase from the affiliate income that they earn, and they turn around and give that to you in the form of college money. Now, you may not consider them big business because while Rakuten earns a couple $100 billion a year, uPromise, it was hard to find their numbers, but they're supposedly somewhere around $25 million a year, and they really only have roughly 100 employees. But as far as I know, this app and this website is mostly what they focus on. They have it in pretty much all kinds of things. Like they work with grocery stores. They work with the same kind of programs that Rakuten works with. Walgreens, I see Groupon, I see Kohl's on here, Walmart, Home Depot, Best Buy, Walmart, they get 3% cash back on this one versus 4% at Rakuten. The other thing that they have that helps their program out is they also have a credit card. With the credit card, they get a percentage back of every purchase that their customers make with the credit card. That, again, is turned into college money. So not only do they get to tap into the affiliate income, but they also get to tap into credit card income. Now, coming back to United Airlines, which is what I spoke about on day one of this challenge, was I talked about how United used miles for their loyalty program. This is what made me think of the affiliate income. They actually have an app called Mileage Plus X. And it's very small on here, so I'm going to show it to you on my phone, which is bigger. And basically what it is it's very much like Rakuten. It's very much like uPromise. You would come in here and instead of basically buying through their app, which you can do, they have several different deals. And one of those is buying e-gift cards. If you buy a gift card to like Starbucks, and then you take that e-gift card and you put it into your Starbucks app, you're going to actually get miles for it. So for Starbucks, it is 2 miles for every dollar spent. Imagine you buy the Starbucks gift card for, say, $50. Now you get 100 mile, which goes into your United account. You take that $50 gift card, you stick it into your Starbucks app, and now when you buy, you're getting another 2 points per dollar. Basically, you're doubling your points in a way for both the Starbucks program and for your mileage program. The second part of that program that they have is their Dine program right here. With the Dine program, uPromise actually also has this program. You take any credit card you have, any debit card, and you register it with United or with uPromise. Anytime you go out to eat at one of their affiliated restaurants, they get a percentage of your dinner back, and then they give that percentage to you in either college dollars back or, in this case, in miles. Finally, the third part of their program is actual affiliate program, just like the other company. Basically, what you're doing is you're going to these websites through their links, and you're going to go ahead and buy something. Say for Adidas, you would get 4 miles for every dollar that you spent through Adidas, whether you use a gift card or whether you use one of their registered credit cards. When you make a purchase through the United app or their website at one of their affiliate programs, then they get a percentage of your purchase back, and then they can turn around and give a part of that back to you in the reward of the form that they chose. United, it's miles. And here I see Home Depot and Lowe's again. For Home Depot, you're getting 6 miles for every dollar you spend, while Lowe's, you get 2 miles for every dollar you spend. If you were to actually double those amounts, you would kind of get an idea of how much they're probably getting. Now, I want you to remember, as they're getting the affiliate income from these companies, they're turning around, they're giving miles to the customer, which is a digital product that's basically useless. It's not something that they could really cash in on until they've earned a huge amount of miles, which means they would have to shop a whole lot through the affiliate income to actually get a really good percentage back. On Rakuten, I've been using that program for a few years. I think I've made about $300 or $400 over the years from their program that I've gotten in cash back. With uPromise, I also have their credit card. I've been using that program for about 15 years, and I believe I'd made something like $2,500 back over 15 years, which isn't necessarily a huge amount, but it's still something. As far as United, I've signed up for different programs that United has had because of this program that they have. I often will use their Mileage Plus X app to get gift cards to different things that I use, and then I turn around and use those gift cards to get points with those companies as well, because it's a great way to actually double my points. I don't actually click on the links to go to the websites because I can actually do that at Rakuten. Basically, as a customer who's very frugal, the way that I use these programs to the best advantage for me, imagine I'm your customer, is I start at United. I buy the e-gift card that they offer, and I rake in the miles over there. Then I take that e-gift card and I go over to Rakuten or uPromise, and I will look at whatever business it is that I want to make my purchase at. So let's say Skechers is the one. I buy the gift card for Skechers at United. I go over to Rakuten because maybe they have the highest cash back amount. I click on the link on the website at Rakuten to go to the Skechers website. I take the gift card, I enter it into Skechers, and now Skechers also has a point program. So once I make my purchase at Skechers, I get my purchase back in points. By doing this, I basically triple all of my benefits. Now, the biggest benefit of all of this for all of these businesses, for United, the first benefit is that they're basically just giving miles, and you have to have roughly 25,000 miles, which is somewhere around anywhere from $1,000 and up in purchases made through their site. If it's 1 mile per dollar, then you're looking at $25,000. But you just saw that a lot of those programs are 2 miles per dollar, 4 miles per dollar, 6 miles per dollar. The amount of money that you have to spend goes down to get those miles at United. And in addition, United often offers really good deals. For example, I signed up with my electric company with them and my gas company with them, and I get miles through United for paying my gas and my electric bill through them. I did do 1 mile per dollar, and I've spent $25,000 with them over however many years. To get 25,000 miles, I'm turning that mileage in for what would basically be roughly a $250 ticket on their plane. A ticket for a seat that's very likely empty anyway. They're not actually giving up anything. It's almost like a digital product. They're just giving me a space on an existing flight. They don't really lose anything. It's a great benefit for a physical location. Now, taking that same idea over to Rakuten, Rakuten doesn't have to do anything to make that money except put a link on their website and update those links as to what the percentage is back. And basically, their system kicks back a percentage of the sale to me almost instantly, which is fantastic. They're just sitting around raking in passive income because they're 100% digital. Over here, United is also raking in their income and just giving me something that doesn't actually cost them a lot of money. For the Skechers Plus program, you get 10 points for every dollar you spend. It's a points program. Most likely, I'm just going to get a $5 reward coupon and cash that in as soon as I get it, which means that I've spent about $100 to get a $5 card back. How to implement this into your own business. If you are thinking about getting an affiliate income for your business, there's obviously two ways that you can do this. One is you can sign up for an affiliate income program, and you can take the links of people and put them on your website. And you can encourage your customers to go through those links and then give them a percentage back, either in points or in cash back or something else. That's one way that you can do an affiliate income program. Another way that you can do an affiliate income program you might even know as a referral program. And by that, I mean, suppose there's businesses in your area that you work with and you refer one of your customers to them. They go and they buy something and that company gives you a kickback. You can create your own kind of affiliate program with that. When they come to you, you cross promote, which is a great way to grow your community. It's a great way to encourage business growth for all businesses, because if some of the businesses in your area go out of business and those places become empty, it kind of starts to give a bad feel to your town. It gives a bad feel to that area, and all the businesses will lose out when businesses start to go under. So creating an affiliate income on your own would be something like creating a type of referral program, which again, you can link through your website and you can make it easy to help track. The other thing you can do is turn around and tell your customers to track it for you, but just asking them to bring back the receipts when they make those purchases. You could work out some kind of exchange program with these other businesses in your area. The second way that you could actually create your own affiliate income program for your business is to actually join an affiliate income program that already exists. You would just go and sign up and say, I want to be part of your program. Maybe it would be in the form of gift cards, or maybe it'd be in the form of them coming to your website and purchasing, and then you give back a percentage to the affiliate company that then pays out the people that have referred them to you. So it's two different ways to do it. There's one where you sign up and you join and create your own, and you basically refer your customers to those affiliate income links and get money back. The other way is to actually dive into the affiliate program and become one of the affiliates. So that way you're getting people from outside. Either way, giving a percentage of your affiliate income back to your customers is a great way to ensure their loyalty. It's a great way to buff up your own loyalty program, and it's just a great way to get passive income for your business. Today's question: have you ever actually used an affiliate program, whether as a customer or trying to join an affiliate program? If you did, please tell us about it in the comments below. Tell us if it was a success for you, if it was a failure. Are you part of a program like Rakuten or uPromise as a customer? Are you part of one of those programs as a vendor? Stuff like that, because we want to know. Put that in the comments below. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit like. If you know anybody that can use this kind of information, please feel free to share it with them, because it's always my goal to make businesses thrive instead of just survive. If you want to ask me questions and have me answer them, remember, I only answer questions on any video that has gone live within the last 24 hours. So if you're looking at this video and it's been more than 24 hours since it's gone live, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can find out when my next video comes out. And you can ask me questions on that video, even about this video. I don't mind. but I only go over to that video to look for new questions. Otherwise, see you guys tomorrow.